Alright, in a few hours, we'll be hiking up Mount Batulao and I have done zero preparation at all. I'll be hiking up with my college friends and first time nila mag-hike. Excited kaming lahat. Sana hindi namin pagsisihan to.
Good morning! Kita nga ng mata mo, boss.
As of now, wala pa ako naiimpake but let's get our bag. Day hike lang naman siya. So, alis kami ng Manila around 12 AM tapos makakadating kami dun around 3. And then makakauwi kami around 4 PM after the hike. Yun yung expected. I think we'll be able to do it. So, we have our raincoat over there, my hiking pants. I think ito lang dadalhin ko. I'm currently charging all of my stuff right now. So, my Garmin, GoPro. We're gonna be bring that also just in case. Actually, nagka-problema na kanina kasi I live in a... Caught you. Actually, may problema na nga. I live in a subdivision and walang tricycle na dumadaan dito tuwing gabi. 12 AM yung pick up namin. Buti na lang one of my friends na taga Makati. Sabi niya doon na lang daw muna ako mag-dinner tapos doon na din ako mag-antay doon sa sundo namin. So, we'll be leaving a bit earlier to go to their place and then have dinner there. And then sabay lang daw kami pupunta sa pick up point. Okay, I actually ended up adding a few more stuff. Nakalimutan ko ilagay yung hiking shoes ko. A headlamp and headphones just for the travel. Kaso wala akong mahanap na tuwalya kaya panyo na lang just in case may bath area dun sa campsite. I'll actually be hiking Mount Apo next month with my dad. So I'll treat this as like a training hike kasi I've done a few hikes here and there except yung Mount Pulag that we did last month na medyo major. This one, I've done a few hikes sa may Rizal area. Very small mountains lang. And this one, Mount Batulao, which is another minor hike. To hopefully prepare for Mount Apo. And of course, the most important part is to have fun with my friends. Nakakakilig naman. Mag-hike na nga lang bukas, nag-aaral pa din.
Grabe. Para ka nasa Japan.
Oh! Bye! Oh my God! Kailangan ko na mag-ulit.
Hi, welcome to Sam's Adventures.
Uy, hi.
This is my face before. Nandito pala si Rami. Walang real running. If you make one, you can name it eh.
Uy, uy.
Leg week. Good fun.
Yung gitna ata.
Yung gitna daw. Yung gitna.
Peak one.
We did it! We did it! Survivors!
Oh no.
Uy, city lights. Tala si Andre yun. Time for one minute.
Pagod ah.
Day ko pa ni mo.
Pagod na ako.
Wala na yung pain ni Andre.
Diba?
Naman.
Yep. What?
Alright. Lapit lang. Yan mo. Libang ka sa kabila.
Sumawit ata. Decent.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Stop giving back.
Sinong pasunod sa inyo?
Pucha, mali.
Go kayo, nag-alalayan mo siya.
Sa China, nasa Taiwan.
Kaya ko to. Nagka-concert pa yun.
Good luck pa rin.
Actually, tabingin na ako. Uy, ingat kayo. Bye-bye. Ingat po. Ingat po. Wait lang kayo dyan.
Wait lang.
Ingat po. Good morning. Ingat po. Good morning. Ano ka? Host ng mga delegates.
Tapos nakatira na tapos pagkapabili sa'yo, meron ulit. Ay, wala palang kawa. Wala.
Masyadong dali ako nakatalikod eh. Okay.
Ma'am, tayo. Opo. Pulang.
Kulang na.
Some respect actually.
Wala akong makita. Morning po. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, go. Let's go, Sam. Slide na lang. Naka-jump tayo.
Hi.
Hello. Uy. CR na ba to? Not sure.
Uy.
Uy, uy, uy.
Go. Go. Oh. Ang lala.
Saan yun? Saan yung nalaan natin? Asan dito?
Alright, post-hike reflection, it's been like a day or two after the hike, and ang sabi nila, ang observation ko lang, ang sabi nila, beginner hike daw ang Mount Batulaw. Again, it's 4 out of 9 in difficulty. And I agree. Hindi siya ganun kahaba, kaya hindi siya ganun na nakakapagod or draining physically. Pero, nakakatakot siya. May parts doon that you'd be on your force, so gumagapang ka. Tapos sa kaliwa mo bangin, sa kanan mo bangin, tapos yung ginagapangan mo mabato. Okay naman yung grip niya, pero again, napakadilim, napakahangin. Imagine na lang kung umuulan pa pag umakyat kayo. So, you know, super worth it. Sobrang lapit lang niya sa Manila. It's like a 3-hour van ride from here. Tapos aga din namin nakauwi, around 4 PM. Lahat kami nakaalis na ng van. And hindi din siya ganun kamahalan. Our hike package itself was around 1,300 or something. Tapos siguro with all of the expense, yung food, yung transportation namin going to the meetup point, maybe hindi susobra ng 2,000 pesos yung nagastos namin lahat. Ang isa ko lang observation is lahat ng CR may bayad. I mean, normally ganun naman talaga dito, pero ang mahal dun sa Batulaw, tig 25 pesos. If you have plans of hiking Mount Batulaw, it's super worth it. it, I suggest you do it. Just make sure to bring your windbreakers kasi sobrang hangin talaga during the hike itself. May mga times na hinahangin talaga ako na nawawala ako sa balance. And during the time na nag-hike kami, sobrang daming buhangin, sobrang daming lumilipad na particles kasi sobrang tuyo. Kaya it's better if you bring something to protect your eyes with. Huwag kayo magko-contact lens kasi baka mapunit lang yan pag mapuwing kayo. Ako nga nakasalamin pero napupuwing pa din ako eh. But I think it's one of those hikes that I would love to do again. Super saya ng mga rope section and ang ganda ng temperature when we went there. Mga friends sa kasama ko, Mother Mountain nila ang Mount Patulao and meron pa din silang hangover on hiking. Send pa din sila ng mga hiking videos and hiking destinations na gusto nilang puntahan. Mukhang hindi ito yung magiging last namin. So if you're planning, you're watching this to know what to expect sa Mount Batulao, one thing's for sure, you should try it out. So good. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Although medyo madilim talaga pag yung POV, so I don't know what I should do next time about it. So let me know if you guys enjoyed that. See you on my next hike.